What did my eyes? What does my eye say? What does my eye say?
Tired.
I tell them earlier that it's a Friday on a Monday. That's what it feels.
Well, guess what? Friday is holiday.
Oh,
So you have 3 more days to
look how God good.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I just finished working out and making my lunch for school. Well, everybody in this house is sleeping, so I'm whispering. I'm back to the early morning wake up. My 2 weeks of waking up 1 hour later has ended because kids go back to school today. So it's back to crunching and back to grinding and back to on the go. So as usual, my lunch for school will be salad with chicken, and my salad consists of tomato, lettuce, a piece of cheese, some raspberries, a piece of avocado, some nuts, and yeah, that's lunch. That's lunch. That's lunch. Anyway, workout was good this morning. Babe didn't wake up with me this morning. I left him in bed and he didn't come, so it was just me, myself, and I today. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to tell you guys to have a good day and stay loved and stay blessed and stay motivated as usual. Do what you gotta do to get through your day, when I'm over here doing what I gotta do to get through mine. So love you guys, and I don't know when I'll see you guys again throughout the rest of today's vlog, but whatever that is, then I'll try and capture the kids for you guys before they go off to school and I forget. So I think you guys will see the kids next. So stick and stay and subscribe if you're new to the family, and I'll see you guys when the kids wake up. I'm gonna try and jump in the shower before they do though, so that when they wake up I can just get them dressed and head out. You guys must think I'm boring to have the same things for lunch every day. But such is life. So here is a visual on lunch, and it's ready to go in my lunch pack. So let's get this in. Bit of work. And I carry these 2 snacks with me sometimes, just in case I need it. And we're all set for the day.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Alright, we're all ready. Say good morning to the faves. Ty, say good morning.
Good morning.
Ready for school?
Yes.
I like you in this jacket. Let's fix this. Sarah, say good morning to the faves. You ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah, gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
You're gonna be
Nice.
and be
Time.
and be and be and failure. Sarah, and take your, what you gonna do? Take your, hey, you're gonna take your nap. She's watching the phone. And you, Ty, you gonna be
Great.
yes, and be
Can't.
and be
Vision.
and be. What's the N word?
Nice.
Very good. All right, go have a good day, okay?
Do a good. job.
Very good. All right, go put your bag on. We're ready. All right, off we go. Come, we're gonna find another bin, okay? So you want a bigger jacket in the mornings, right? Right? Okay, so go, Sarah, go. We're going for the bin is down there. Come on.
Is this down there?
Yes, come on. You want a bigger jacket in the morning? Well, tomorrow morning you get a bigger one, okay? Hi guys. It's Monday feeling like Friday. That's how my head feels. My body is okay, but my head doesn't feel right. I'm having a headache from class. Can you tell I have a rough day? I am back home, just got in. Didn't even take off my shoes as yet. Jump right into the kitchen and start cooking dinner. Because I have to pick up my daughter in 1 hour and a half. And I have stuff to do. So I have no time to sit down right now. But because it's Monday, I have food in the fridge from yesterday. So I don't really need to cook much. Well, I need to cook some veggies and a little bit of protein. I took out some shrimp, but I think I'm gonna put it back and make some steak haché instead. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So if you're wondering what I call steak haché, it's just like hamburger meat. And I'm gonna do these with eggs later for dinner. Because they're best eaten when they're warm. It doesn't make sense to cook them and put them down. And I'm making some spinach for Tyler, but I need to make some veggies for myself. So I think I'm going to, for myself and babe, so I think I'm going to make some green beans. That always go well with these and eggs. So that's what dinner is going to be tonight. And there is macaroni and cheese in the fridge. There is rice in the fridge. So we're good to go on the starch side of things. So how are you guys doing? How was your day? Instead of me unloading my day on you, tell me in the comment section, how was your day? I am struggling today in class with the exercise that I got. I understand it, but I'm still struggling. So I'm gonna have to get babe to work with me on it later for me to have a better understanding of the rules of how to use these terms when I'm speaking in French. Anyway, you guys, I'm here. I'm about to also go take some laundry up off the line and clean the dishwasher. So here we go. The sunset for you guys while I'm off to go pick up kids. That's a beauty right there. You guys see that? So pretty. Dinner time. There goes Sarah's dinner, and that's Mama's. Say hello.
Hello.
You ready for dinner?
Yeah.
All right, let's go pee first and then have dinner. Okay? You had a good day at school?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let's go pee. Hello, my baby. Look at you all juded out. Why you look so sad?
Wow.
You're not sad? You okay?
Yes,
I was
just
judo.
hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
How was judo?
I did just a little bit.
It is just a little bit. Why a little bit?
Because, you know, it's the first day of this period, so we need to do to see if everyone has the inscription and all of that.
Okay. But the little bit that you did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay. That's
I
all
did
that matters.
again.
Did the game?
Yes.
Okay. How was your day at school?
Good.
What did you do today?
Dictate.
How was it?
I got 8 beats.
Good job. The same dictate that we practiced yesterday?
Il parlait tout seul avec des phrases compliquées. Florian commençait à penser qu'il ne terminerait pas cette histoire quand soudain, il l'entendit. Elle avait une voix d'une pureté extraordinaire. Il ne comprenait pas le sens de ses paroles.
Tyler, ferme les yeux, j'ai un petit cadeau pour toi. C'est pas une claque. Hein? Tiens, ouvre les yeux. C'est un parapluie. C'est comme ça.
Papa finally found an umbrella for you, Ty. You wanna open it? We finally found an umbrella for Tyler. Finally. Not just any umbrella, an umbrella that is Tyler's personality.
That means, you know what?
Let you want wait. Let Papa do it for you. Papa. You can't open it right there. You have to get up. Babe, help him, please.
Regarde. Il y a un bouton, il faut appuyer sur le bouton.
Watch your face.
What did you say?
You know what they say in Jamaica when you have a umbrella over your head when you're this young? That you'll never get married.
Not in the house.
It's bad luck.
Bad luck.
Why?
It's a myth, I guess, but
In France, we say,
okay.
don't open.
Honey, close it. Take it from him.
You
So
mean
Tyler
like
finally get his umbrella. We say you won't get married.
Spotted?
Well, baby's already married, so he can't put it over his head.
Does that mean I won't get married?
Well, you better get married. There's space between us.
Yeah.
And I have to be stretching my arms.
Yeah, space.
Oh my gosh. I'm already so short. I can't catch both of us in the frame. I'm dying.
That's how short she is, about that size.
If I'm that tall. You guys, you see my eyes? What does my eyes say? What does my eyes say?
Tired.
I tell them earlier that it's a Friday on a Monday. That's how it feels to me.
Well, guess what? Friday is holiday.
Oh,
So you have 3 more days to
look
work.
how God good. Friday, He's letting me stay home to sleep.
3 more days. 3 more days.
3 more days. Still I'm gonna sleep Friday. I'm gonna sleep, you know. I'm gonna sleep and I'm gonna ignore my husband and kids. I promise you. Anyway.
Yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday. No, it's Thursday. Well, we are tired, having a headache. But this is what's gonna be. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. You had a good day?
I had a rough day, to be honest.
Tomorrow will be a good day.
I declare it.
Tomorrow will
I'm
be a
only
good day.
accepting good days.
Tomorrow will be a good day.
Speak it into existence.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Tomorrow will be a
Good day.
be
A good day.
be
Kind.
be
Nice.
be patient.
Be patient.
And tomorrow will be a good day.
And tomorrow will be a good day. Anyway, guys, we're ending today's little vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces, which I know you did, so you'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Yes, he shaved. You're gone. It was good while it lasts. Bye bye. Enjoy, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
sideways. Deuces.